getting it, trying to stack it up just every day. Told my niggas that we gon' be good, make sure everybody's straight. I been really lost, I hold my head down, can't do nothing but pray. Told her.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and I'm back with another banger. For today's video, I'm gonna be like a little mukbang. I'm eating some Slim's chicken. If you live in Little Rock, you know it's Slim's chicken. I don't cap. This shit fire. I just need y'all to continue to support me and continue to motivate me to keep going. Continue to react. I'm going to engage with y'all. Without y'all, this shit would never happen. Yeah, I gotta get on pay with me. Continue to show me love. It's gonna be like a little short video. So, a lot of people be asking me why I moved from Texas and shit. There's really a reason why I moved from there. Really some personal shit. It's like some shit happened. I had to move around for a little bit. I really supposed to be gone for like a week or two, but shit, I fucked around and stayed. I don't know why. America. I think America convinced me to move back. I moved, got a job. I could find a job in Eudora. I could find a job in Eudora. So I moved to Little Rock. I started working shit. Started working for this temp agency. So shit, they had me work for like 2 or 3 weeks. That's when I said, that's what I manifested. I was gonna get my first car. When I moved to Little Rock, started working for that temp agency, I was saving hella bread to get me a car. Feel me? But with that bread, I entered a raffle. Y'all already know what raffle I entered. You know me, y'all already know what raffle I entered. I put like $1,000 in that bed. I lost. And shit, I was like, fuck, I'm gonna run it back up and get me a car. But shit, I thought shit I was gonna win, get that, and get his car for him and win first place. Then, but shit, I ran that shit back up, you feel me? Kept God first, kept praying, kept getting off on my ass, go to work every day, ran that shit back up, and bought my first car. This is what I'm sitting in right now. While on that journey though, I was becoming one with the universe and myself and God, you feel me? I was working on myself as I was working to get that car. You feel me? I was protecting my energy and being positive every day when I was going to work. There was just one goal I had to meet. So I had set another goal, and I'm working on this goal right now as we speak. I'm not gonna tell y'all to go until I accomplish. You feel me? it's gonna be accomplished sooner or later. All you gotta take, put God first and patience and put in the work. Before you know it or not, I don't look up and I'm gonna be a fucking millionaire on the way to an M. I ain't gonna be one. I'm gonna be one, but shit, before you know it, I'm gonna be on the way to one, you feel me? I'm on the way to one right now, but I'm be even closer. This shit y'all gonna be like, how? This shit easy. You gotta know what to do. You gotta have that knowledge, you feel me? About life and shit. All the little shit, the shit y'all don't know about. All that social media shit. This brainwash y'all and shit. I stopped paying attention to social media a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago. Yeah, like a year ago. But when I moved to Houston, that shit opened my shit. That opened my mind up. It started. When I moved to Houston, that shit opened my mind up so much. Like it made me look at the world different. You feel me? Like it's way more shit out here than this. Cause shit, I came from like a small town. You feel me? There's way bigger shit than here. It's another life out here. Like there's another life out here to live. I'm telling you. So it really what made me want to start YouTube type shit. Cause shit, I moved up there. When I moved up there, shit, I had just graduated welding school. And I ain't even think about YouTube when I first moved up there, you feel me? I wanted to get a fucking good ass welding job, start bringing them racks in, I ain't gonna lie. But shit, I started seeing how the fuck motherfuckers around me were living. Like, they was up, you feel me? But in another way type shit. I was like, damn, if they can be up this way, why I can't be up this way, you feel me? And I said, I know there's a way type thing. So, after days, months, I was thinking to myself like, damn, what can I do to be up this much, but in this kind of way, you feel me? YouTube ran across my mind. The first time YouTube ran across my mind, I was a little scared to start, you feel me? I had made me an intro, I was like, nah, this shit, nah, I ain't finna do it. So shit, I waited like a couple more months type shit, like at the end of last year, like in November. I fucked around it. That shit ran across my mind again, YouTube. Make a YouTube channel. I was like, nah, this shit can't just keep running across my mind. So shit, I finally made it, and shit, I made another intro. I still had the first intro I made, but shit, I was like, nah, I gotta make another one. So I made another one. Shit. And then I started making videos. I still got some videos I haven't posted since last year, you feel me? And they gonna be posted. Y'all gonna know why I waited to post them videos too. But that's how I really got back on the YouTube shit, cause shit, we really were doing YouTube in high school and shit, we got in trouble for that shit. Cause shit, we had to stop that shit, you feel me? We couldn't do it when we graduated and went to college, but shit, I ain't go to college, you feel me? They was still gonna do it, but I don't know what happened. I went to college, but shit, I ain't go to college. I went to like a trade school college, a little technology college for welding type shit to get my a little trade. So they went to like a HBCU type shit. I said, I don't know. I started that shit at the HBCU, but I don't know what happened. I forgot what they said happened. I think they lost motivation or some shit. I don't know. think the hoes, I think the girl had their mind on. Shit, I just smashed my shit though. I had some slim. I had a 3-piece tender. That shit was so fire. I forgot to mention that temp service agency, they had released me after for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I had found another job at like this ice company, and my cousin worked there, and ran that shit up. Got my whip. And then when I got this whip, I had to get a second job type shit, a little part-time job type shit. So shit, I'm really in my bag, but I'm gonna get in my bag even more though. I feel like I ain't in my bag like how I wanna be in my bag, you feel me? They're like shit, I'm still slacking or some shit. But I'm in my bag though. I feel like I ain't in my bag enough. I feel like, I don't know. I just can't shake that feeling, you feel me? If you know what that feeling, to all the real runs, nigga, that's hustling, nigga. Let's get into that bag. Y'all know that feeling. Feel like you ain't going hard enough. Yeah, y'all know that feeling. Shit, I feel like I ain't going hard enough, so shit. I'm finna put my foot on the pedal like 100 times more, like shit. Y'all finna feel me, like this shit finna go crazy. And I ain't just talking. This shit straight fact. I feel like shit. This shit finna go crazy. Y'all just gonna be wondering why. You wondering how. Wondering how. So yeah. That's why I moved from Houston, why I started YouTube, and that's why I'm right here and right now. If y'all got more questions, y'all just hit my DMs on all social medias. Y'all continue to show me love, continue to tune in to every video I drop, you feel me? I want to thank y'all for showing me love. I highly appreciate everyone who tuned in to my videos. I want y'all to stay tuned in because this channel is gonna get lit as fuck. I'm telling you. It's just the beginning, nigga. Now y'all stay tuned though. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. And click that bell so y'all can be notified when I post, you feel me?
Bitch, I'm out here getting it, trying to stack it up just every day. Told my niggas that we gon' be good, make sure everybody's straight. I been really lost, I hold my head down, can't do nothing but pray. Told her